Hello, everyone. Are you wondering about the average salary for a manufacturing engineer in the United States? Let's explore. The average annual salary for a manufacturing engineer is approximately $72,750, which equates to about $6,060 per month. After accounting for federal taxes, which for this income level fall into the 22% bracket, the take-home pay is roughly $56,775 annually, or about $4,730 monthly. Where you live plays a significant role in how much you earn. States like California, with an average salary of $75,000, New York at $73,000, and Massachusetts at $72,000, offer higher pay. Conversely, states such as West Virginia, with an average salary of $58,000, Florida at $59,000, and South Dakota at $59,000, tend to have lower average salaries. Experience also influences earnings. Entry-level manufacturing engineers with less than 3 years of experience can expect to earn around $59,450 annually. Mid-level professionals with 4 to 9 years of experience typically earn about $68,560 per year. Senior manufacturing engineers, boasting 10 to 20 years of experience, average around $82,200 annually, while those with more than 20 years of experience can earn up to $85,780. Educational qualifications further impact salary potential. Manufacturing engineers holding advanced degrees or specialized certifications often command higher than average salaries, sometimes exceeding $97,290 annually. In summary, a manufacturing engineer's salary in the United States varies based on factors such as location, experience, and education, with earnings ranging from approximately $56,370 to over $97,290 annually. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching, and see you later. Goodbye.